to the channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Marketing Cloud Email Specialist. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Now, the question is, a marketer at Northern Trail Outfitters NTO has been tasked with growing its email subscriber audience. Which three best practices should the marketer keep in mind while trying to acquire new email subscribers? Choose three options, and the options are: Option A, tell customers why they want to receive NTO emails. Option B, set expectations on send frequency and schedule. Option C, automatically opt in all new customers. And option D, ask for detailed demographic informations. And option E, use explicit opt-in for any new web sign-ups. The correct option is option C, D and E. Next question is, a marketer is updating a data extension by manually importing a file. The marketer wants to ensure only new records are added to the data extension during the import process. In which two ways should the data extension and import be configured? Choose two options, and the options are: Option A, select the update type override. Option B, ensure the data extension has a primary key. Option C, select the update type add and update. And option D, select the update type add only. The correct option is option B and C. Next question is, Northern Trail Outfitters NTO is implementing and Marketing Cloud and is unsure whether to use lists or data extensions. Their consultant recommended they use data extensions. Which three considerations did the consultant take into account when recommending a data extension based model over lists? Choose three options, and the options are: Option A, NTO needs flexible data storage. Option B, NTO will be using Journey Builder. Option C, NTO is storing product and store data. Option D, NTO has fewer than 15 data points. And option E, NTO has fewer than 250,000 subscribers. The correct option is option A, B and C. Next question is, a new marketing manager at Northern Trail Outfitters NTO has been asked to evaluate whether to use HTML emails or templates for weekly newsletter sends, which are created by a marketing coordinator with limited coding ability. While NTO has HTML developers on staff, their time is not guaranteed on an ongoing basis. Which two characteristics of templates would benefit NTO when creating its weekly newsletter in Content Builder? Choose two options, and the options are: Option A, emails can be formatted for desktop and mobile without extra coding. Option B, one template can only be used for one email, maintaining brand standards. Option C, HTML developers are needed to build templates but not emails. And option D, templates provide the ability to create email messages using content blocks. The correct option is option A and D. Next question is, a subscriber unsubscribes upon receiving an email from Northern Rail Outfitters. At the bottom of the NTO email, the subscriber sees three links: Manage subscriptions, Profile Center, and One-Click Unsubscribe. the subscriber clicks one click unsubscribe. Given that NTO is using the default subscription center, which two options are given when the subscriber clicks one click unsubscribe? Choose two options, and the options are: option A, subscriber can choose to resubscribe to the list used for the send. Option B, subscriber can choose to be unsubscribed from all NTO publications. Option C, subscriber can choose which publications to unsubscribe from. And option D, subscriber can choose to be removed from the data extension. The correct option is option B and C. Next question is, a local restaurant chain wants to send an email to customers 7 days prior to their birthday. The restaurant has one non-technical marketer who has limited experience with the marketing cloud. The owner wants the birthday email campaign to start tomorrow. Which tool can the non-technical marketer use most easily to segment and send the birthday email? Options are: option A, user initiated email; option B, query activity; option C, playbooks; and option D, automation studio. The correct option is option C. Next question is, Northern Trail Outfitters wants to grow its email subscriber list. Which best practice can the company use to increase the number of subscribers? Choose two options, and the options are: option A, offer email opt-in when customers create an account. Option B, use incentives such as a discount or free shipping to encourage opt-in. Option C, capture email addresses through the use of browser cookies. And option D, send emails to a purchase list with a request to opt in. The correct option is option A and B. Next question is, what is triggered automation? Options are: option A, an automation that is triggered based on a schedule that has been defined. Option B, an automation that is initiated when a designated value in a data extension is changed. Option C, an automation that is initiated when a file is dropped into a designated enhanced FTP folder. And option D, an automation that triggers an email to be sent based on a user initiated email definition. The correct option is option C. Next question is, which two best practices should the customer follow to ensure marketers across the company are taking full advantage of Content Builder? Choose two options, and the options are: option A, plan for content to be used cross-channel, eliminating duplicates. Option B, create folders for each type of uploaded content. Option C, import all content upfront rather than piece by piece. Option D, optimize the way content is stored with a naming convention. The correct option is option A and D. Next question is, Northern Trail Outfitters is looking at using Journey Builder rather than Automation Studio to send emails. What are three benefits of using Journey Builder? Choose three options, and the options are: option A, updating or creating Salesforce CRM objects or records. Option B, extracting data from an audience data extension for analysis. Option C, A or B or N, testing as part of the workflow to conduct timing and creative tests. Option D, criteria settings to segment contact based on behavior using SQL. And option E, goal setting to have the system listen to see if users met the goal. The correct option is option C, D, and E. Next question is, Northern Trail Outfitters sent order confirmation to customers who have made online purchases. Delivery of these emails must follow the transactional CAN spam requirements. What feature should the marketer use? Options are Option A, delivery profile. Option B, sender profile. Option C, send classification. And option D, send definition. The correct option is option A. Next question is, a bank wants to send a series of emails to customers who open a new savings account. The first email is sent immediately after the account is opened to confirm the action. The second email is sent one day after the account is opened. The third email is sent 5 days after the account is opened only, if the customer has not made a new deposit. The final email is sent 10 days after the account has been opened and the customer still has not made a deposit, or 8 days after the customer opened the account and made a deposit but has not opened any emails. The data is stored in two data extensions. The bank has two versions of each email, English and Spanish. The bank wants to automate sending the emails. Which process could the bank use? Options are Option A, use query activities. Option B, use drag and drop segmentation to create data filters. Option C, create a data relationship and a measure. Use drag and drop segmentation to create data filters and use filter activities. And option D, use drag and drop segmentation to create data filters and the use filter activities. The correct option is option C and D. Thank you.